Homemade blueberry sauce makes the perfect topping and comes together very quickly. Using only a few ingredients, this blueberry sauce can be made using fresh or frozen blueberries. Welcome back, or if you're new here, my name is Kate and this is Bake That. Mix 3 tablespoons of water and 4 teaspoons of cornstarch together in a small bowl, mixing until the cornstarch is completely dissolved and set aside. In a medium saucepan, add 2 cups of fresh or frozen blueberries. Add 5 tablespoons of granulated sugar, a half of a cup of water, and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Set the stove to a medium heat, stirring the ingredients together. Leave the saucepan uncovered, stirring occasionally until it comes to a boil, which takes about 5 minutes. Once the sauce comes to a boil, add the dissolved cornstarch and continue to stir the sauce occasionally on a lower heat for about 5 minutes. Turn off the heat and let the sauce simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes. When the sauce coats a spoon, the sauce should be finished and will thicken as it cools. Remove the sauce from the stove and let cool for about 30 minutes to 1 hour before using it. This blueberry sauce makes a really great topping on yogurt, ice cream, cheesecakes, or pancakes. Store this blueberry sauce in the refrigerator for up to 1 week or store in the freezer for up to 3 months in a freezer-safe container. If you liked this recipe, check out other easy homemade sauce recipes like homemade strawberry sauce in the link above or in the video description below. Thank you so much for watching. Come back soon to bake more good things.